Hello, this is Craft Time from the Houston Public Library. I'm John Cooper. Today, I'm going to show you how to repair a hole in a garment. For this, you will need needle, thread, scissors, and a garment with a hole. Let's get started. I've got this shirt, which I've worn a couple times, and managed to get these two holes right here. One in this dark black navy area and one in this white area. You're seeing it from the inside of the shirt because that's the side that we're going to have to work on so that we don't have any stitches visible from the outside. And so I'm going to show you a very simple stitch called a blanket stitch that will allow me to take the two edges of these holes, just sort of kiss them together and keep them in place. So for this, I'll need white thread for the white area and black thread for the black area, and I have needles for each of those. So let's get started. So I've got this needle and thread that has it's doubled over to provide more strength, tied at the back with a knot, which you can probably just barely see there. Right there. And that'll keep it from going through the fabric too much. And now, again, from the inside of the fabric, I'm going to put a needle through, run it over to this bottom edge, and create a loop. And I'm going to do the same thing over here and create another loop, and then come back through this first loop and pull. By making a small loop between the two ends of the two edges of the fabric, I'm bringing them together. By pushing the needle back through and then pulling back towards the direction that we're making the stitch, I'm closing it in place so that the thread doesn't come loose. Pull that right there. And one more down. No, probably two more down here. Trim away the bit of extra thread that was on the other side of the knot so it doesn't get caught in here. Take a look. Do I still have a hole? No. Hole's gone. So, I'm going to do one more loop to hold the whole thing in place. Underneath, through. I'm going to double this one so it stays in place. I'll pull it tight. Going to cut my thread there, cut my thread there, and deform the fabric ever so slightly. But the hole isn't there anymore. With a little bit of luck, I'll be able to wear this in front of people. And the same thing goes here with this dark colored area. Some more light on that. This one will be harder to see both in doing the repair, but also it'll be easier to cover up the repair because of the dark color. So I'm going to, again, go through one side, picking this under over my finger, and then back through, just to one edge and the other right at the end. Come back, one edge to the other, push a bit through so that it'll lock that in place. You see there's still a little piece of the hole right there, but I can pull that through. Right there. And one more. So, from the outside, you really can't see the hole. You can kind of look if you get up close to where it sort of puckers together, but you can't see that hole very well at all. And so, one more stitch through just to lock the whole thing in place, and then we can cut it off. Cut off the original tail by that knot. And there you go. This shirt hadn't really been wearable, and now, you know, I can go out in public without people seeing my belly button. So that works out. Well, I hope this was useful. Post to social media using the hashtag #ILoveHPL to share your complete projects with us. Follow us on social media. We're on Instagram at Houston Public Library, on Twitter at Houston Library, and on Facebook at Houston Library. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye.